Hey guys, Chris from Florida Drone Supply. As you can see, I'm not in our normal studio. I'm not in front of a table with any really cool fancy drones or new equipment. Today I'm coming to you to just kind of give you a state of Florida Drone Supply and where we're at in the post days of Hurricane Ian. As you know, Hurricane Ian totally wiped our area clean as far as power, homes, condos, vehicles, roads, stoplights, complete decimation of our entire area. Our hearts and prayers go out to all of our fellow citizens out here, our customers that are down here, all of our employees that were affected by this. A lot of us had to evacuate. A lot of us got to different places that were safe. Fortunately, no one from Florida Drone Supply was injured of any way. Lots of property damage and things like that, things that could be repaired, which is really, really good. But we wanted to come to you today just kind of let you know we're going to be back to normal very soon with Florida Drone Supply. Our inventory supply, our power, our internet's going to hopefully be restored even tonight at our Fort Myers office. So thank you so much for all the patience that you guys had. We've had countless calls, emails, texts, messages on social media, people sending prayers and thoughts and letting us know that, hey, if you need anything at all, that we're there for you. So we thoroughly and genuinely appreciate all the love and support that we've had from everybody. But we can't wait to get back. We have people in the field. We have pilots from all over the country staged in our parking lots. We have people everywhere out on Sanibel Island, Pine Island, Mount Lachey, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples, Bonita. We have people everywhere capturing different critical infrastructure in the ways of cell towers. We have people out there capturing for rooftops. We have people doing, at some points going door to door looking for people that have sent us, messages saying, hey, can you go check on my neighbor? We haven't heard from him. So we are literally doing everything we can from a humanitarian side, from a critical infrastructure side, and from just a community standard across the board. So thank you so much for all your love and support. Florida Drone Supply and SkySource Aerial will be back and bigger than ever. We have great things coming, and we can't wait to get back in business and start shipping you guys products. So give us a call at 855-8-DRONES, floridadronesupply.com. We're going to be there for you because you were there for us. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.